Hello friends, welcome back to our channel BAFNA Cars. Today again we have got a Toyota Fortuner in house for a very decent budget audio upgrade, the complete paint protection film and a complete sun control film applied on this vehicle. Friends, this is one of the very beautiful project what we have done. So come back to the audio friends, we have used this Audison Voce components in the front, we have used this Audison Voce coaxial back doors, and we have powered these speakers both with SR 4.300 amplifier. Friends, this is a very beautiful minimum upgrade setup you should look forward for. It gives you a very good sound with the stock head unit and it gives you immense clarity, compelling all the three rows. We have also done a damping for the complete doors. This is a 3-layer damping. So friends, hope you have liked the entire work done by us. For any of your requirements, please call BAFNA Cars on the following numbers. We will come back with the best of best solution. Thank you so much. Keep watching our videos. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Kunal. I am owner of Fortuner black color and I know BAFNA Cars since around 12-13 years. So we are a bit confident about their work. So I left my Fortuner for PPF coating and some audio system changes which they have shared complete detail with me how they are doing and what output or outcome will come out. And today my car is ready and I am really happy about the work they have done, and I suggest everyone to visit BAFNA Cars because they are the best and the oldest in the market. Thank you.